Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video. And here it is, the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro leather sleeve for the 13-inch MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. And this is the most overpriced Apple accessories I've ever bought. So yeah, so this is the 2020 new MacBook Air. I just unboxed yesterday, and so far it's pretty good. I really like the keyboard. And now let's unbox this. Ooh, look at that. This is all natural leather. As you can see, yep, natural leather. So yeah, that's it. This is your unboxing for this overpriced accessory. So let's take this out. There we go. And this fits. These two pieces of leather stitched together, and you're paying $249 for this overpriced piece of leather. And you can see the Apple logo is here. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely really very premium. Yeah, this leather on this side, and you can see like a microfiber texture. And there's this text right here: designed by Apple in California and assembled in China, natural leather. So yeah, let's try to see if this fits. Of course it does. If not, something must be wrong. Okay, yeah, it should be a really tight fit. Is it in? Alright, okay, it is. This is really tight because you need some time for it to, you know, wear in. Yep. Alright, yep, there we go. It's all the way in. So yes, this is the Apple leather sleeve for the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro. Yep, it's really tight inside. Of course, there's this opening right here. I mean, like, you buy this not for the protection, you buy this for the Apple logo, right? For this expensive piece of leather. But well, I wouldn't say this is worth it, but this is definitely premium feel, you know. Everything is so premium about this, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.